Okay, so this under this act, that is Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, uh, this act aims in prevention of cruelty to all the animals except human being. So we do have many act uh, to deal with. So this act is dedicated to all the animals except human being. Okay. So some introduction before going to the objectives and definition under this act is that previously in India there were different rules in different parts of the country to prevent cruelty of animals. Okay, so we do have different rules. So in order to have a uniformity with respect to this prevention of cruelty to animal, Government of India has appointed committee to study matters relating with respect to infliction of unnecessary pain. Infliction or like any activity which is leading to unnecessary pain or sufferings of animals. Okay, so this committee was established, and after the recommendation from this committee, this act was passed. Okay, because this was needed due to we do have different rules in different parts of the country. So in order to bring uniformity with respect to this uh, cruelty to animal, this act was then constituted under the recommendation of committee. Okay, so objective of this act is objective of this act is to prevent unnecessary pain or suffering on animals, as well as prevent cruelty to animals. Okay. So we do have to act in such a way that we do not unnecessarily cause any pain or harm or suffering, or also the extreme level of like this pain, which we can say that cruelty to animals. Okay, so that is the act. So under this act, several provisions are mentioned, which are aimed so that this cruelty to animal can be prevented. Definitions: animal include any living creatures except human being. Okay, this I'll skip. You can read it out. Second is cruelty. Under this definition, as such, it is a cruelty, unnecessary, illogical behavior causing pain and suffering to the human. Okay, so this Animal Welfare Board of India was established. Okay, now which has responsibility to promote animal welfare in general. Okay. And second, the sale, that is protection of animals from unnecessary pain or suffering. So they are going to give us many solutions or uh, answer for many of the things so that this can be avoided. Now function of this board or functions which are performed under this act. Okay. There are many functions, so let us discuss one by one. First, to keep the law in force and thus prevent cruelty to the animal. So we have to stick to the law so that stick to this prevention of cruelty act so that this can be avoided. Second function of this is that second function of this advisory committee is to advise the central government on making rules with the objective to prevent unnecessary pain. So we might need sometimes this amendment to the act. So this committee may suggest rules frequently or as and when time arise, so that it can like objective behind this will be preventing unnecessary pain or suffering to animals. Okay, especially when they are being transported or when they are being used as a performing animal, or when they are kept in captivity or confinement. So at these places they should be kept with certain dignity also, we can say. So for doing this, for achieving, rules are to be made and they had to be placed and they had to be followed, so that like they stick to the law which is being enforced. Now these are some practical functions or solutions which they have suggested. Okay. The committee also suggested government for improvement in the design of vehicle, so that so as to lessen the burden on draught animal. Does anyone know what are these draught animal? Okay. These are the animals which are used specially into agricultural field or transportation purpose. So can anyone mention example of animals which are used for performing this function, that is agricultural or transportation? Can anyone? Yes, animals used for this purpose. You have never seen any animals used in agricultural field or any animal who are supporting transportation? Yes, come on quickly. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So what is the aim over here is that as a human being, like we have just one lecture before discuss ethics with respect to the pharma profession and with respect to general ethics or values. Here also we can say that uh, we should do or work in such a way that there should be less burden when we use animal for such purposes. So government also taking initiative, and under this is that like yes, we are doing so much research. So this research also has to be done into where we are using this animal with the technology. So we have to improve technology in such a way, like if ever we are using animals for such purposes, ideally we should go for a complete technology based vehicle. Completely we should rely on the vehicles or technology rather than using animals. Ideally that is the case, but if it is not possible, we have to use this along with the like this technology. Then we have to use such technology that animals will be like they have to bear less burden. There should be less pain, less suffering. Ideally there should be no pain, no suffering, but we have to work in such a way that there should be less burden on these animals. So this is the thing which we have to, like this is the thing which is being suggested by the committee to the government to take steps for amelioration of animals by providing the facility of shed, water, etc., along with the veterinary assistance. Okay. So we have to develop or improve uh, this amelioration means improvement. We have to take steps into improvement of this like animal facility where we are keeping them, that is the shade or the food which we are providing to them or the water. So we have to improve these facilities so that there will be, again I'm saying, less suffering. Okay, to encourage any financial assistance or formation of rescue home, animal welfare shelters, etc., for old animals and birds. This is also very important. We have to build or we have to encourage people to build this rescue home or animal shelter, especially for old animals and birds. Many people they are not willing to uh, like take care of these animals or birds, so we should not leave them to live like as such. We have to act like a human being and encourage others as well as work ourselves at first place for doing this activity. Okay. Next, to cooperate with the associations established to prevent unnecessary suffering or pain, to advise the government on medical care and attention to be provided in animal hospital. Okay. So government should take this medical care and attention to provide like help into this center for these animals, to impart education relating to human treatment of animals by means of lecture books, etc. So we should not completely rely on this hospital. If if ever it is possible, we uh, should also be able to know in a way to help animals by getting knowledge through these lectures, books, posters, etc. So this can be offered by the government so that we can be educated, so that we can treat animals on to certain extent. Any other matter which is related with this animal welfare. So all these were the functions suggested by this committee under this act. So this is the part where it can come to with respect to the experimentation of animals. We know that animals are, and some one of you also at the start of lecture mentioned that animals of concern over here is animals which are used in performing experiments. Okay. So this is with respect to the animals which are used for experimentation. Yes, there is a requirement of animals which are used for research purpose. Okay. So experiments are performed on animals for the purpose of new discovery of physiological knowledge, maybe for testing biological products like vaccines, sera, hormones, etc., testing drugs. Okay, we do require at in preclinical studies these animals to be used. Okay, so that we can test medicine on them. Okay, so that we can then extrapolate results which we get on animals. So how that drug or that chemical may show results, based on the result, how they may act for the treatment of human being, animals, or plant. Okay. So before obtaining results, before concluding in general results for that chemical, maybe drug, for the benefit of human being or animal or plant, previously we have to use animals. We have to sacrifice these animals to obtain the results, so that these results we can confidently use this medicine for treatment of diseases of human being, maybe, or animals or plant. Okay, so this is an essential thing for it is essential thing for the development of medicine to perform this experiment on animals. Okay, so it is essential, but we have to keep into mind that whenever we are using the animals for study, we have to use them cautiously. We should not unnecessarily cause any cruelty or harm or pain to the animal. Okay, now to control and supervise experiment performed on animals, uh, government has constituted a committee. Central government has constituted a committee. So when there is committee, we have to constitute that committee based upon several members. So let us quickly see members for these committees. Okay, so two member each from ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, two members from Indian Council of Agricultural Research, two members from Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Those are six members from these three sectors. Then nominated members, or the members nominated by central government, are two members from universities giving medical and veterinary degrees. Okay, so two members from these uh, universities which are giving this, which are offering these courses, and these members are also nominated by central government. One member of Lok Sabha, one member of Rajya Sabha to be elected by the House respectively. Okay, so Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, one member elected will go and act as a member of this committee, which is established to control and supervise uh, how they are dealing with the animals which are used in experimentation. Okay, so now we can see that there are members which are constituted to be a part of this committee. What is the function of this committee? Is uh, yes, the important function is that this committee is going to ensure that animals are not subjected to any unnecessary pains or suffering during or after the performance of experiments. Okay. So, in order to achieve that, committee may make rules which may provide for the registration of a person or institution performing experiment on the animals. Okay. So first, like the institute which is going to use animal or uh, like like animal for experimentation, that institute first has to do this registration part, means they need to be get obtain the eligibility so that they can continue with this experiment on animals. So through registration, it can be made or it can be ensured that the experiment which they are going to perform, it is not going to cause unnecessary pain or suffering. Okay. So committee is also going to make rules with this objective, like this when animals are being handled or they are used for experimentation, it has to be done under the observation of the in charge of the institution. Okay, so no, it should be done under the observation of in charge of the institution. If he is not available, it should not be done. Okay. Experiment on animals should be performed under the influence of anesthetic. Okay, we have to preferably give anesthesia to animals and perform any if injection part or surgery part or any like experiment on animal which may cause pain or suffering. So if animal is going to experience that pain, preferably he should be anesthetized. So that is also like such kind of rule also committee can make, and this is also suggested. Experiment should be performed with due care and humanity. Okay. So that also include we should handle animal properly. We should properly feed them with the food and water. There should be proper cleanliness maintained when wherever we are storing, keeping them or using them or experimenting on them. So all these things should be done with due care and humanity. Okay. During the experiment under influence of anesthetics, as if they are injured and if uh, they are not going to be recovered without severe pain. Okay, so like experiment is performed on animal under anesthesia, and if it is that he once that animal comes into consciousness and if he is going to suffer serious pain continuously throughout his life, so that animal has to be destroyed while still unconscious. So these are the things which need to keep into mind when you perform experiment with the animals. Okay, and this is also important. You have to experiment on animal you have to perform experiment on animals when like it is almost very important, like absolutely when it will be essential, you perform with the, like you experiment with the animal. If you can find out any other experiment or any other measures which can substitute sacrificing or using animals, then you should go for that other alternative option. Okay, so this should be kept at last option. Okay, so when you will study the pharmacology, maybe you will be able to know that you can have several models. Okay, so which can give you result which will be similar to the results which you get after experimenting with the animals. So you should search alternatives to the use of animals. Uh, as far as possible, larger animals should be avoided, and we should stick to the small laboratory animals like rats, dogs, and rabbit. It should not be performed. Another rule is that it should not merely be performed to practice. सिर्फ practice के लिए you should not sacrifice or use animals. Okay, so you should have that strong reason to use animals. Animals used for experimentation are properly looked after before and after the experiment. So that is, we have already seen that they should be properly handled. They should be handled with humanity. Proper records should be kept regarding the experimentation of the animals. Now, we know that wherever this experiment or animals are performed, it has to be properly first. It has to be previously get registered itself. So there will be registration procedure which they have to go through, and then only they will be able to keep animals and perform experiment on that animals. Okay. Now, so if that premises is there where which is allowed to perform this experiment, obviously that premises should be kept under inspection, or it should be kept control, so that whether they are performing all the operations properly or not. So for that purpose, committee is authorized to send officer so that they can inspect institution or place where experiments are carried on. Okay, so they obviously will going to visit the premises and check how all the like experimentation part is being performed. Okay, so officer can enter any time to inspect place where experiments on animals are being conducted. He also has a power or authority to inquire uh, uh, with anyone and ask for the record to check all the details of experiment which are being conducted. Prohibition of experimentation of animal. Uh, on report of concerned officer, so in previous slide we have seen that officers can inspect the premises and he is going to prepare a report. Okay. So on receiving a report of this officer, if committee is satisfied that the rules are not being followed by the institution or individual, so their registration may stand cancelled. So these like our authority may prevent them to continue with the experiment. So that is the like with respect to this procedure, they, like this institution who are performing experiment, they can be controlled. So it will be mandatory for them to follow all the provisions under this act. Last thing is offences and penalties. Okay. So few offences and penalties are mentioned. Okay. First, if animals are under this act, it is that it is aimed to prevent the cruelty of animal. But if someone is treating them or they are causing cruelty or they are behaving cruelly with animals, so they are punishable with a fine not less than 10, which makes 10 to 50 on first conviction. So first time agar it has been observed that they are behaving cruelly with the animals, so they have to face the pay the fine 10, which may extend to 50 rupees. On subsequent offences, it may be not less than 25, which may extend to 100, and or imprisonment up to 3 months or with both. Okay, so on subsequent offences, this will be their penalties. These are certain operations which are strictly avoided for the animals to be performed. So if someone is performing such activity with animals, they have to pay the fine, which may be up to 1,000, or with imprisonment up to 2 years, or both. Contravention of any order made by the committee or breach of any condition imposed by committee is punishable with fine up to. इसके अलावा कोई भी अगर कॉन्ट्रावेंशन रहेगा कि जो मिस कमिटी ने बहुत सारे रूल्स सजेस्ट किए हैं, ये दोनों के अलावा कोई और रूल का ब्रीच किया या फिर if any of the rule is offended by any of the person is punishable with a fine up to 200